Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, welcome to my organization. Today I am going to talk about a Windows Mozilla Firefox problem. If your Mozilla Firefox someday showing like this problem, your connection is not secure, or you do not go to event google.com or facebook.com. So what will you do? First, you have to see your computer time is correct or wrong. If your computer time is not incorrect, you can change the setting from here. Or if your computer time is correct and you also seeing this problem, you have to go about config. You will see a message like this: you might void your warranty. Change the setting. Just click on I accept the risk. You will see a taskbar like this. Now go to now search here root, ROOT root, and in the bottom of the line see security enterprise /root enable. If you see here false, double click on it and give it to true. Now see, it's true. If I go to google.com now, now my problem is solved. Thanks friends for watching this video. Please subscribe before you leave. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?